In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Paytm Money in Tradingview. First, open your browser and go to the Tradingview website. You can simply type the address into your browser's address bar and hit enter. Make sure you're logged in to your Tradingview account before you continue, because you'll need an account to access the charts and connect any broker, including Paytm Money. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and create one and then sign in. Once you're on the Tradingview homepage and logged in, look for the option called Supercharts. This is usually highlighted because it's Tradingview's main advanced charting interface. Click on Supercharts and it will open up a full charting window. Give it a moment to load, especially if it's the first time you're using it, since it may take a few seconds. Now that the chart is open, move your attention to the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll find different tabs, and the one you want is called Trading Panel. Click on Trading Panel. This is the section where Tradingview lists all the supported brokers and trading partners you can connect to your account. When the Trading Panel opens, you'll see a row of broker logos. If you don't immediately see Paytm Money in that first view, look for the option that says Show All Brokers. Click on Show All Brokers so you can access the full list. This expands the panel and displays every available connection that Tradingview currently supports for your region. With the full broker list visible, use the search bar or scroll through until you find Paytm Money. Typing the name is usually the fastest way, especially if there are a lot of brokers shown. Once you see Paytm Money in the list, click on it to select it. After clicking on Paytm Money, you'll see a button or prompt to connect. Go ahead and choose the connect option. Tradingview will then redirect you to a secure login page or a small window where you'll need to sign in with your Paytm Money credentials. Enter your details carefully, complete any authentication steps, and authorize the connection. Once the login and authorization are successful, your Paytm Money account will be linked to Tradingview. You should now see Paytm Money as an active connection in the trading panel, and you'll be able to place orders directly from your Tradingview charts using your Paytm Money account.